Hey, where are you going?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I think that we are going to Ubud, but I think we should visit.
So you wanna come with me?
Yeah.
Okay, jump on.
One moment. Yay.
Hello people, today we decided to hit the road and to go a little bit around Bali, visit Ubud. If you're looking for the culture, definitely go to the Ubud. We're living in Amed and it's like a kind of little bit away from all the culture possible. It's really quiet, remote place, beautiful reefs and other stuff, but sometimes you need this good coffee and some cakes. As I've been telling you, we have some places, but again in Ubud there is this special feeling, and anyways it's a feeling that you are traveling. Definitely traveling is really good way to get new ideas, learn something new, or just enjoy the good coffee. There's no any goal in this trip. Fill the tank full of gas, it will cost you around 50,000, which is around $4. Then you go to the Ubud, drink a coffee, go back. From Amed to Ubud it takes 1.5 hours. We took not the shortest way, we just going through the mountains. What is your favorite flower?
Oh, for example, in the spring, I really like hyacinths, tulips. In the summertime, I like wildflowers. In the when it's already autumn, we like this kind of flowers. I like. When it's winter time, then roses. Why not?
So you like seasonal flowers?
Yeah, I like seasonal flowers.
It's never like some people say roses and that's it.
No,
No.
it's not about me. In every season, there is a different smell, which I miss really much.
Alright, where we ended up is Alasarum, Bali. It's a place where you can go take a tour and understand how this coffee is made. So we're actually in this famous place where this Lovok coffee is burned. Animals eating coffee beans, shitting it out, people picking it up, drying it. Then it's getting to the next state where we're taking the skin off, and then finally that's the final product which you roast. That's how.
Yeah.
So that's the whole idea.
Two different coffee plant. We have Robusta coffee plant and Arabica coffee plant. And the difference of that, the Arabica coffee varieties, they have the bigger size, and the seed of the outside one, they are a bit thick than the Robusta coffee plant, and they're a little bit sweet and so much better taste than Robusta coffee berries like that. And normally in here, not so well to planted Arabica coffee plant because it's very short from the mountain. And the good one is near the Kintaman area to plant the Arabica coffee berries like that, sir. But in this place, it's only for the example for customer demonstration for customer come in. The real our coffee plantation in other place, in the Kintamani area like that.
So as we found, it's not really a coffee harvest time, so we have to wait until December. So the coffee harvest time is from December to the March. December we will go to Kintamani, and then we will show you all this process. A little bit to wait actually, half year, another 6 months. That will be definitely different episodes what I will make, but we definitely will bring you there because we drinking Bali coffee every single day, and we've been drinking a Bali coffee for a really long time, and it felt like it's okay, but then we went back home and we tried the coffee we've been drinking before we moved to the Bali, and we understood how good actually is this coffee. It's like a day and night, it's more aromatic, the taste is absolutely different, right?
Yeah, but we buying like beans. If you buy already grounded, the taste is not so good.
Laura, need your review.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended.
Yeah.
And
Because, coffee super good. I ordered cappuccino, super good. Food,
is there
very
any?
delicious.
Let's say for some people, there's always some food. What is like a kind of they measuring the quality of the place. Let's say Caesar salad.
Yeah. This time I ordered chicken cordon bleu. For me also it's like measuring at like some restaurants with this kind of food.
If the restaurant can make a good chicken cordon bleu, then it's or
it's
cordon
okay.
bleu, right?
Yeah, because I didn't expect so much cheese inside. I thought it will be a little bit, but when I saw so much cheese...
But another thing what I liked actually, it was the way they served it, right?
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
Also beautiful, and everything was, the taste was balanced, and so everything was enough.
Thank you. Alas Harum Bali. If you're looking for this, or maybe this. If you're looking for some ideas for interior or some decorations, this definitely is one of the places where you can come. It's all in one place, or in all this 9 kilometers long street. Take a day, start in the beginning. There is always cafe, take a rest, go next. Or you can live here for example, a week and just every day visit some portion of the street. Definitely find some new ideas. And these people always are really open, and then if you need custom made something, they will just simply make it. It's amazing. Sure, we just found some ideas for the dive center when we're coming back from the night dives. So then there is a problem. It's still really dark. We have to do something about electricity. So, and if you do something about electricity, let's do it stylish way, right? Have you ever seen a place with so many ducks? I love this one with the beer. That's a good one. Just look at that. It's incredible. So mostly you're exporting to UK.
UK, England,
Yeah.
and then so all Europa.
All Europe. Ukraine, you said,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, Europa.
A lot.
Yeah, a lot.
People loves it.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I wanna buy.
So I think you have a trouble because there are so many of them, and you.
Yeah,
It's really
they
hard
are
to choose
so
something.
beautiful. This one looks like me.
Thank you very much. That was amazing. We are happy we didn't stay at home. Overall, we are really happy we did it. We got everything we wanted. We saw something new, some positive emotions.
And Martin is with me. Okay. I got it.
That's the last point here in Ubud. Then we will slowly start going back. It's becoming like already late. It's already late afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock. Thank you very much for watching. Follow Instagram and Facebook, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.